Welcome to the short presentation about Thymine. In 1884, Takaki Kanehiro, a surgeon general in the Japanese Navy, rejected the previous germ theory for beriberi and hypothesized that the disease was due to insufficiencies in the diet instead. In 1897, Christian Ekman, a military doctor in the Dutch Indies, discovered that fowl-fed on diet of cooked polished rice developed paralysis, which could be reversed by discontinuing rice polishing. In 1926, two Dutch chemists went on to isolate and crystallize the active agent that reversed the described paralysis, whose structure was afterwards determined by Robert Reynolds Williams, a U.S. chemist, in 1934. Thymine was synthesized in 1936 by the Williams Group. Thymine was named by the Williams team as thio, or sulfur-containing vitamin, with the term vitamin coming indirectly from the amine group of thymine itself. In 1998, dietary reference intake for thymine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B12, pantothenic acid, biotin, and choline were established. But what were the factors influencing the establishment of the DRI for thymine? No adjustments for bioavailability were judged necessary for deriving the estimate average requirement from previous literatures. Despite the lack of direct data, the known biochemical function of thymine in the metabolism of carbohydrates suggests that at least a 10% adjustment to relative energy intake is necessary. Under normal conditions, physical activity does not appear to influence thymine requirements to a substantial degree. Finally, gender differences were derived on the basis of mean difference in body size and energy utilization between men and women. Thymine is found naturally in meats, fish, and whole grains. It is also added to bread, cereals, and baby formulas. Thymine is integral to the complex coordination of the Krebs cycle, as well as a coenzyme in the pathway to synthesize NADPH and the pentose sugars deoxyribose and ribose. It's also important for brain function and the myelination process. Thymine deficiency in the US is rare, as most people meet the RDA through their diets. A more severe thymine deficiency can lead to beriberi, which causes muscle loss and diminished feelings in the hands and feet, also called peripheral neuropathy. Another result of serious thymine deficiency, often seen with alcohol abuse, is Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome that may cause confusion, loss of muscle coordination, and peripheral neuropathy. Symptoms of thymine deficiency are muscle weakness, heart rate variability, also known as tachycardia, fatigue, blurred vision, loss of appetite that leads to weight loss, and ataxia, which is the presence of abnormal uncoordinated movement. There is no established toxic level of thymine. It is unlikely to reach toxic level of thymine from food sources alone.
Created using Powtoon.